Hello there, welcome to this MetaTrader 4 training series, tutorial, free basics, guide, course, whatever you want to call it. This series will teach you the basics of MetaTrader 4, the MT4 trading platform. If you are going to trade Forex and CFDs, this is the platform for you. This is the most popular trading platform for Forex and CFD traders. I will cover the basics of MT4. I will teach you everything you need to know. I'll also go into some of the more advanced features of the software, just some things that I feel will help you. So all the basics plus some advanced features. I have clicked on my MetaTrader software. It's loaded up, the platform's loaded up. I have this chart in front of me. I have a list of currency pairs to the left and this white box down the bottom. When you click on your MetaTrader software, it should look very similar to this. It might not be identical. It could be you have 4 charts showing or no charts. It could be this list of currency pairs isn't showing. Don't panic. I'm going to guide you through everything. Okay. First things first. You should have opened a free demo account with your Forex broker, or you should have opened a live account. Hopefully it's a demo account if you're new to trading. Once you open that account, your broker should email you a couple of things. Number one, a link to MetaTrader, to download MetaTrader. So make sure you download the software onto your desktop. The second thing is your broker should have emailed you your login details for your demo account or live account. And those details should include an account number, a password, and a server address. You'll need that information to connect your trading account to the MetaTrader platform. You need to log in on MetaTrader with your account details. So to do that, you go down to the bottom right here. There are these bars showing. If I hover over that, it says connection status, something like that. If I left click, there is a login button here. If these bars aren't showing, then go to view and click on status bar. So if I untick status bar, you can see that's disappeared. So it could be your status bar isn't showing. Go to view, click on status bar. That's now showing. It might be that your bars are a different color. Don't worry about it. Just left click, click on login, and the login box should appear. So here we go. You have your account number, which is your login, your account password, and the server address. If you click on the drop down list here, all the servers available for your broker should appear. If you ensure that save account information is ticked and click login, then you won't have to log in every time you load up the software. So I really suggest you tick on this save account information. Once you click login, as long as the details are correct, the software should become live, the chart should start moving, the currency pairs, the ask and bid price should start changing. Things should be active. If you enter any of the details wrong, then down at the bottom right here, it might say something like invalid account or account invalid. If it does say that, just try logging in again, check the details you're entering are correct. It should then log in. If you can't find your server in this list, which can happen sometimes. Sometimes you can open a live account or a demo account and the server isn't displaying in this list. If that is the case, you go to File at the top left here. Click on Open an Account. Click on Scan. The servers will then be updated and your server should then appear. If it still doesn't appear, you can click on this plus box here and add your server address. Just put in the details, the server name as per the email sent by your broker. Once you've selected your server, click next. You can then put in your login details and password. That's how you log in. If you've never used the platform before, logging in is quite a task. But once you've logged in, you're all set to go. Okay, so once you've logged in, you have your chart, you have these currency pairs to the left and this white box. These charts, in the next video, I will show you how to customize these charts. They generally are these sort of colors by default. You can change all of that. I will show you how to do that in the next video. With these charts, you can make them bigger or smaller by just clicking and dragging on them. We have our market watch here with all our currency pairs and CFDs. If this market watch isn't showing, or if you don't want it to show, click on view at the top here, click market watch. If I untick that, it's gone. So want it to show, click on market watch. The market watch is simply the instruments offered by the broker with the bid and ask price. So if I scroll down, you can see all these currency pairs. There are some metal CFDs, some stock indices, and other things, some futures. Lots and lots of things. Sometimes you might get some cryptocurrencies and some other things, commodities, in this list. If you right click in the market watch and go to symbols, you can choose which products, which CFDs and which currencies show in this list. If you want to be able to trade a particular instrument or open a chart for a particular instrument, particular currency pair, it has to show in this market watch list. So for example, if my cryptocurrencies were hidden, or perhaps if I went to energies, I wanted to trade Brent crude oil, if it was hidden, like I'm doing now, it will no longer appear in this list, meaning I can't trade it. Okay, I can't load up a chart and I can't open trades. So make sure that you right click, go to symbols, and that you show all the products that you want to trade. It could be that you also want to hide the products you don't trade. If you click on the folders instead of the actual individual products, then you can choose to hide whole folders at a time. So crypto is now all hidden. Alternatively, if I click show, I can show all the cryptos. So it could be I'm going to hide them, I'm going to hide the energies, I'm going to hide the bonds, I'm going to hide crypto, I'm going to hide metals, I'm going to hide futures and commodities. Now my market watch just contains currencies and indices. Okay, that is enough for this video. In the next video, I will show you how to open charts, how to customize charts, and eventually how to start trading, how to start placing trades on the MetaTrader platform. Thank you for watching.